Welcome friends to another video, and today I'm gonna make a very quick tutorial on how to activate ECG and blood pressure on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. If you live in one of those regions where these two features aren't supported yet, even after the latest Tizen OS update, then there is a very simple step that you have to do to benefit from these two features on the Galaxy Watch 3. Basically, you need to download and install two files, and afterwards you need to calibrate your smartwatch and you're good to go. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you that I already have installed these apps on my Galaxy Watch 3. So this is the ECG, and I also have the blood pressure monitor. So what do you need in order to benefit from these two very interesting features? Well, you need two files, which I'm going to put in the description of this video. I'm going to leave the links down there. And you need one app for the smartphone, and you need one app for the smartwatch. Do keep in mind that these APKs are solely for Samsung devices. So I'm using the Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Watch 3. You're gonna need to install Samsung Health Monitor. This is the first APK. This is for the smartphone. You need to install it, and afterwards, from the second link, you're gonna download and install the file for the smartwatch itself. Afterwards, you just give them a quick, let's say, tutorial. You need to input some data, some personal data regarding your age, your weight, and whatnot, basically to calibrate the smartwatch, and you can start using the new features on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. As I said, this is a quick tutorial only for those of you who did not get these features enabled with the latest Tizen OS update. And from my knowledge, at this moment, you can only use officially ECG and blood pressure monitor in South Korea, and if I'm not mistaken, in North America. And because I live in Europe and I live in Romania, after the latest update, which everyone has it, I did not get these features, so I had to go and download and install manually the applications, and afterwards I was able to use them. Keep in mind that Samsung Health Monitor is an app that I couldn't find in the Google Play Store, which is a very strange thing, if you ask me. Okay, this pretty much does it for this video, guys. As I said, it's very short, it's very quick, and I'm gonna leave the links, the download links, in the description of this video in order for you to go ahead, download them, install them, and start using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 with all its features turned on. It's such an amazing product, such a great device, but I'm going to talk more about it in future videos. Until then, as always, my friends, be safe, be good, peace.